In this demo, we'll explore how Azure AI Speech Service enables applications to convert speech into text and text into audible speech, making interactions with technology more natural and accessible. Imagine being able to transcribe meeting notes automatically, convert recorded interviews into text for easy reviews, or generate lifelike speech from written text. With Azure AI Speech, these tasks become seamless and efficient. In this demo, we'll walk you through using Azure AI Speech Studio to try out speech to text and text to speech capabilities, understand how Azure AI processes spoken language and converts them into an actionable text, and finally exploring real world use cases like automated transcriptions and voice synthesis. By the end of this demo, you will firsthand how Azure AI Speech can enhance applications across industries, whether for business productivity, accessibility, or AI driven customer experience. So let's get started and see how Azure AI Speech in action. After successfully logged in to the Azure portal, I'm going to search for the speech services. And I'm going to click on create new one. So I'm going to select the subscription and then the resource group, East2S. Just going to give it a name. And the pricing tier, gonna click on the standard. On the network, we're gonna keep all networks, including internet that can access resources. On the identity, we're gonna keep the system assigned identity. If you are using a user assigned managed identity, feel free to add it here. And then no tags. And then click on next and then create. Deployment is complete. Gonna click on go to resource. And from there, we are gonna click on go to Speech Studio, which is gonna open up another tab for us. Or you can always navigate to speech.microsoft.com here. I'm just gonna select my admin account. Perfect. These are the capabilities that we can select for these speech services. Captioning with speech to text, post-call transcription and analytics, live chat avatar, and language learning. This is still in preview. And if we scroll down, we see the speech to text here, where have different scenarios like real-time speech to text, whisper model, batch speed, custom speed, all of that. And there is the text to speech, where it has the voice gallery, custom voice, personal voice, audio content creation, all that good stuff. For this demo, I'm going to select the real-time speech to text. In here, you can actually browse the files and upload an audio, or you can record for yourself. I've already downloaded a video I'm going to play in here.
AI enables us to build amazing software that can improve healthcare, enable people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experiences, and even save the planet.
Perfect. I'm just going to minimize and upload the file. All files here. Perfect. We see under the text, it's transcripting the audio to a text. It's converting it. So AI enable us to build amazing software that can improve healthcare, enabling people to overcome physical disadvantages, empower smart infrastructure, create incredible entertainment experience, and even save the planet. On the text here, we see the display text here, the word AI offset duration, all of that in a JSON file.